Hi, I'm Jim Munson, District Manager for the ROHO Group. I'm here to talk about the ROHO High, Mid, and Low Profile Wheelchair Cushions, as well as the Enhancer Cushion. Each cushion is an air-adjustable cellular design wheelchair support surface, designed to conform to an individual's seated shape. These cushions are recommended for individuals who may have a history of or currently have skin breakdown. There is no weight limit with these cushions as long as the cushion is properly sized to the individual. ROHO Incorporated recommends that a clinician such as a doctor or therapist experienced in seating and positioning be consulted to determine if the ROHO dry flotation cushion is appropriate for the individual's particular seating needs. Now let's take a closer look at the cushions. The single and dual valve compartment cushions are available in 3 different cell heights to accommodate the individual's skin protection and positioning needs. You will commonly hear us refer to these cell heights as 4, 3, and 2-inch cells. The actual high profile cell is approximately 4 1/4 inches, 10.8 centimeters. Mid-profile cell approximately 3 1/4 inches, 8.26 centimeters, and the low profile approximately 2 1/4 inches, 5.72 centimeters. The higher the cell, the greater the potential immersion. Greater immersion into the cells of the cushion increases the contact area, thus redistributing forces which occur with sitting more uniformly to minimize peak pressure and maintain blood flow to the areas at risk. So for example, an individual using a properly inflated cushion with high profile cells will be immersed into the cushion 3 1/2 inches, 8.9 centimeters, versus an individual using a properly inflated cushion with low profile cells will be immersed 1 1/2 inches or 3.81 centimeters. The high, mid, and low profile cushions are adjustable to shape, weight, and to changes in the individual's positions over time. Now, let's talk about the proper inflation and adjustment of these cushions. Start by placing the cushion on the wheelchair, making sure it is centered with the air cells up and with the air valve in the front left corner when the individual is seated. Consult your prescriber about alternative positions of the air valves. Now, turn the air valve counterclockwise to open. After opening the valve, slide the pump's rubber nozzle over the air valve and inflate the cushion until it begins to slightly arch upward. After seeing the arching of the cells, pinch the pump's nozzle and turn the air valve clockwise to close. Remove the pump. Repeat steps 1 through 3 for the remaining air valves on multi-valve cushions. After overinflating the cushion, have the individual sit in the wheelchair. Make sure the cushion is centered underneath and the individual is in their normal sitting position. Now, take your hand and slide it between the cushion's surface and the individual's bottom. Lift their leg slightly and feel for their lowest bony prominence. Then, lower their leg, reassuming a normal sitting position. Once this is achieved, turn the air valve counterclockwise to let out air, while keeping your hand under the individual's lowest bony prominence. Slowly release the air until you can barely move your fingertips, no more than 1 inch, 2.5 centimeters, and no less than 1/2 inch, 1.5 centimeters. Once the correct distance has been achieved, turn the air valve clockwise to close the valve and stop the release of the flow of air. The adjustment is now complete. ROHO recommends doing a hand check daily to assure the cushion is properly inflated, and only make adjustments, as we just demonstrated, when the suggested distance has changed and there is less or more air in the cushion. To adjust the dual compartment cushions, follow the previous stated instructions pertaining to multi-valve cushions. To maximize the positioning benefits for individuals with pelvic obliquity, the side with the deepest and lowest bony prominence must be adjusted first. Dual compartments may be used for side-to-side or front-to-back positioning. For those who use front-to-back positioning, adjust the rear section first. Once both adjustments are made, recheck each compartment to ensure proper adjustment. Completing this ROHO cushion series is the Enhancer cushion. Constructed of varying heights of cells, the contour design allows a greater level of pelvic stability. For adjustments, follow the instructions stated previously for multi-valve cushions. For more detailed information regarding these cushions, please click on the product information section on this webpage or call customer service at 800-851-3449.